Ayoba, yoba, yoba, yoba. The hustler, the networker, the distributor. This is me, Miss Brown Eyes. If you know, you know. Guys, come on board. Be my customer or a distributor today. Let's help our loved one, our community by selling or by getting
Another day, another hustling. As you know that I'm a hustler, the networker, the distributor, the risk taker. Today, I'm here to talk about this stem cell called Fiber Pro from Max Life. What is Fiber Pro? Fiber Pro is not just a product, it's a lifestyle change. I'm talking about the problem that you have in your body. Fiber Pro is a detox stem cell. Fiber Pro is helping a lot into the problem of acid and ulcer most of the time. But if you want to get slim, weight loss is here because you're going to feel your body again. Come on, but don't hesitate. This product is here to change your life. Become my customer today or a distributor. Start helping yourself, your loved one, and your community. The benefits of Fiber Pro is cleans toxins, supports gut health, weight management, regulates glucose level, and balance acidity. Optimize hormones, digestive balance. So guys, come on board to support your regularity and healthy digestive system. Don't hesitate. We are here to make money, right? But most important thing is to get healed. So Max Life International, it's here to help you to get your life back because we are here to give the life, right? God is answering your prayers. You were trying, praying, crying, doing many things about the disease that you have. So in here, into Max Life International, we have the stem cells that can change your life. 08421817750. You'll come back and thank me later because we are healing any diseases. I'm talking about stroke, cancer, diabetes, fibroids, fertility problem, the problem that is harassing you. It's been there for years. So remember, don't mind me, just mind information because I'm here to help you. I don't know English, English knows me. Guys, come on board. Don't hesitate. This is the product that can change your life. How to consume the Fiber Pro. To consume, step 1, take 1 sachet of Fiber Pro. Step 2, you mix this sachet with 100 milliliter of water. Remember, it's 1 sachet. And then after that, the step 3 is to stir well and drink immediately. For optimal results, take it before bedtime. Remember, just mind information because I'm here to help you. Check my other videos to get more and more info because I'm healing people left, right, and center. I have many products that can change your life in healthy, in financial. Don't forget 08421817750. And something better, await us if you have courage to reach for it, to work for it, and to fight for it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm here to help you. Just support me as I'm supporting you. As a lady, I'm saying ciao. Have a nice, wonderful day. Thank you, guys.